Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to log in and add an extra user to your PlayStation 5. This is going to be a nice quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is have your PlayStation 5 turned on, have a controller connected, and we're going to be starting from our dashboard. We're going to be clicking up on our controller to go to the menu on the top, and we're going to be clicking right 3 times until we see the settings option highlighted on the top right. Once we have this selected, we're going to be clicking the X button, and here we're going to be brought to the settings for our PlayStation 5. Once this opens up, we're going to be clicking down once until we come to the users and account option right here. We're going to be clicking the X button to select this open, and here we'll get some more information about the accounts and users on our PlayStation 5. From this point, we're going to be sticking on the menu over here on the left, and we're going to be coming down to the very last option here called users. So here we'll see all of our currently added users. So here we will have the button at the very top to add users, and below this we will see a list of all currently added users to our PlayStation 5. So at the moment I only have one other user. To add another user, we simply click the add user button here at the top of this menu, click the X button to select this. We'll have to agree to the terms and conditions as shown here. Click I agree, then click confirm. You can then add an avatar to this user. I'm just going to be selecting the very first one here from this menu. You can give the user a name if you would like. I'm just going to be naming it user 1 for the moment. Click OK. You'll then have to enter the data collection information for this user. I'm just going to be confirming and continuing. And now you've added a second user to your PlayStation 5. Now from this point, if you would like to change to this user, what we're going to be doing is backing out and going to our dashboard on our PlayStation again. We're going to be clicking the PS5 button on our controller. We're going to be getting down here to the menu at the bottom, and we're going to be hovering all the way over to the user option here on the second from the right. We're going to be selecting this, and we're going to be coming here to the switch user account. If we select this, we will be able to switch user, and here we can see our second user has been added. I'm going to be selecting and opening up our second user right now, and we're going to be logged in as this user over here on our account. Now from this point, this user is not currently logged into any PlayStation account. However, if we try to go to the PlayStation store right here, you'll see you're not signed in. What we can do is come down here, click the sign in button, and here we will then be able to sign this user into a PSN or PlayStation account. So from this point, you can enter their credentials, or you can scan the QR code on the right to log in that way, whichever way works easier for you. Or if you want to create a brand new PlayStation account, you can simply come down here to the bottom, click create an account, and go through that process. I currently have a second PlayStation 5 account that I want to log in, so I'm going to be doing that process first. Once you have logged in, you can then set up the privacy settings for this account. It'll then give some more information about securing your account. You can simply click OK in this pop-up. If you don't currently have any two-factor authentication on your account, it will also mention this here, and this is definitely something you should do if you don't have it. However, for today's video, I'm just going to be clicking do this later. And just like that, you've added a brand new user account to your PlayStation 5, logged them into their PlayStation network, and now everything is linked and added to your PlayStation 5. So now this user can log in at any time, and since they are logged into their account, they can automatically go to the store and have all their account information there as well. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to add a new user to your PlayStation 5. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'll be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you want to support me. Until next time guys, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.